is it? Where's the monkey? Monkey is in the box. Where's the bird? The bird is on the tree. Where's the snake? Oh, the snake is under the rock. On, in, under. On, in, under. Where's the apple? The apple is in the box. Where's the carrot? The carrot is on the chair. Where's the pumpkin? The pumpkin is under the bench. On, in, under. On, in, under. Where's the book? The book is on the desk. Where's the pencil? The pencil is in the box. Where's the ruler? The ruler is under the chair. On, in, under. On, in, under.